Welcome back. This is quite a lengthy recipe, so have a look at our easy to do kitchen experiments to do in between the process. Enjoy. We've always been very cautious about making sure we wash our hands before we make food, so we're going to teach you our little kitchen washing hands song. Okay, let's go, guys.
Top and bottom, in between, all around our hands, wash them clean.
We do this twice and then we rinse with fresh water and dry our hands on our very own aprons.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Little Kitchen. Today we are making a honey roasted chickpeas. You will need chickpeas, salt, cinnamon, honey, olive oil, a sieve, a mixing bowl, another mixing bowl, and a spoon. Step 1. Drain the chickpeas. Step 2. Rinse. Air dry for about 45 minutes.
Bake for 30 minutes on 180.
While you wait for your chickpeas to cook, mix together 1 tablespoon of oil in a small bowl, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, and a half teaspoon of cinnamon, and some salt to taste. While your chickpeas are warm, pour the mixture over and toss them around. Done, put back on your baking sheet and cook again.
Cook for about another 5 minutes just to crisp them up, and then keep turning them just to not get them to burn. Once you're done, you can switch the oven off and just let them cool in the oven.
And then there you have it, roasted honey chickpeas. Bye.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Virtual Little Kitchen.